Dredge plume. The waters on Onslow in the Pilbara region of northwest Australia are the areas most affected by sediment plumes caused by dredging related to the Wheatstone dredging project. Dredge spoil has an immediate impact on the dredging area and marine habitat near the dredging sites. Increases in turbidity caused by dredging significantly reduces the amount of light reaching the benthic habitat for primary productivity. The availability of satellite remote sensing platforms have provided coastal managers with tools and capabilities to effectively monitor the coastal environment at spatial and temporal scales, which the traditional in-situ-based observation methods could not do. There have been no previously remotely sensed data recorded from dredging in the Onslow area. However, a recent study has used WV2, Landsat 8 OLI, and Modis Aqua data to record inconsistencies in TSS concentrations at different spatial resolutions. The ship-based dynamic above water radiance and irradiance collector was used to measure the remote sensing reflectance, and in-situ water sampling methods were used in measuring TSS concentrations. Suspended soil particles from 2 millimetres to less than 0.002 millimetres are the smallest identifiable features detectable in the observable area that extends over 331 kilometres squared. As turbidity changes rapidly, daily images would need to be recorded to monitor and control the spatial and temporal variations of the plumes.